So you want to find your file and make sure you open it in Adobe Illustrator. Yep, that's all good. Change the line width to 0.01. And then in this case, we're going to want the line color to be red. So you're just going to slide that all the way up. Then it's good to print. So you're going to press Control P. Go to Setup, Print. Open up your laser cutting software, and it should be there ready to set up. You're gonna, real quick though, you're gonna go to Settings and make sure you have the right material. So in this case, we're gonna be using General Soft Woods. We're gonna set the material to whatever thickness you have. In this case, ours is gonna be about 3 or 0.3 inches, and then now you're good to set up the rest of the printer.
So once you have your material ready, you're gonna go ahead and open this up, place it at the back corner, like so, make sure everything's lined up properly. Now, once you're at this point, once you put the wood in, you need to check and make sure that the laser height is tall enough or short enough for the material you're using. So you take this height tool, you line it up, and you make sure that this indent is lined up with that line. So as you can see, it is lined up perfectly. So if that's all good, you're gonna go back over here to your program, and you're gonna start by adjusting it in any way that it would fit on here. So we're gonna click right here just to see where the laser points. So, okay, so obviously that's not on the board. So we're gonna try to adjust it a little bit more over here. So that's kind of where we want it. So now we're gonna take this movement tool, and we're gonna move it all the way over here. And we're gonna check to make sure that this lines up good. That's good. And then we're gonna go to the other end over here. That seems like it lines up good. And now we should be ready to print.
Alright, so now before we get it ready to cut, make sure you turn on your fan, which is right here. And once you start hearing it boot up and you hear like a suction of it, now it's connected to the laser cutter, and it sucks in all the smoke in there so that it doesn't smoke it out. So now you press the green button and make sure to stand around the machine to cut, to make sure that there's no air going on while you're cutting the material. Okay, so first what you want to do is you want to turn off the fan by pressing that. Next, you want to come over here, make sure. Alright, so look, you're going to want to take the part out. You're going to want to turn this off. And you're going to want to turn this off. Now we come over here and we take the part out.